Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to save LibreOffice Writer file as PDF. The easiest option is going to the file, then clicking export as, and then select export directly as PDF. We're going to do it now. Let's select and save it. Save it now. We have opened the file and we can see that it's working. You can even copy the text. Okay, and now if you want more customizations, you can just come to the file and then select export as and export as PDF, and there are many other options. You can just play it around. Okay, our second method is print. Go to the file again and then click print and then select Microsoft Print to PDF. Then select print, and now we're going to save it. It's going to print and we're going to open it now. We have opened it and this is the file, and you can still copy and paste them. Okay, now our third method, which is saving this file as a document file. We're going to select Word 2010 template. We're going to save it now. And now we have opened a converter where we will convert that .tx to PDF. We're going to choose the file now. We have uploaded the file and then we're going to hit convert. It will take some time and it will start to convert. Now we're going to download it and we're going to open it. You can see that we can still copy and paste. I mean, it can be opened as PDF file. So I have shown you 3 ways how to save LibreOffice Writer file as PDF. I think I owned a subscriber from you. So please subscribe to my channel and also like the video too. Thanks a lot.